Hey, what's up? This is Mike coming at you with a figure unboxing. Some of my favorite anime figure channels are actually based in Toronto. Definitely not going to say that this channel is turning into that type of content, but this is one of my favorite figures that I had on pre-order. Very excited about it. If you know me, I'm super into One Piece. Already kind of pre-cracked these just to make sure that they're okay, but very excited to get into it and to show you what I got. So first up, we got this small box here. And you know, I didn't know if I wanted to grab these because I'm not into, if you've paid attention to me for a while, I'm definitely not into Funkos. I kind of hate the miniature ones, and sort of by that same token, I'm not super into Nendoroids by any stretch of the imagination, but these ones couldn't resist. Little One Piece action for you here, Chopper, little reindeer, and Trafalgar Law, one of my favorites. I didn't complete the set. If you see on the back here, there's actually a Luffy and a Zoro. I actually thought that they looked kind of funky. I'll have a close-up of that. So didn't want to go for those two guys, but Chopper and Law, love them. So I had to get them. They came with like a pre-order bonus as well. So let's crack them open and kind of see what they are. Okay, we cracked this guy open. You can see Law here. I actually really like this. This hat kind of has like a funny texture. And then I think the bonus gift here for Law specifically is this little onigiri. So I'll make sure I get a close up on that. And then for Chopper, his bonus gift is a little, of course, cotton candy. If you're familiar with One Piece, totally makes sense. So boom. Two lookups. What are they actually called? I think they're just called the lookup series, but yeah, got Law and we got Chopper. Okay, next we got the big box. This is the one that I've been most excited about. Open it up here. This did originally come wrapped in paper, but like I said, just wanted to confirm that it was okay. And dun-dun-dun. Oh, there we go. Boom. Yamato. The new Portrait of Pirates. This is actually my first Portrait of Pirates figure, even though I'm a massive One Piece fan. Haven't quite pulled the trigger on any of them. This one, you know, spoiler alert ahead, I was hoping that Yamato would be a future Straw Hat. Unfortunately, they didn't, but let's crack it open. Excited to get this one going. All right, and there you have it, unboxed. Yamato, the child of Kaido, the true heir to Kazuki Oden's name. Really fantastic figure. I know these were a little bit controversial. This came out a little bit a while ago. I've already watched pretty much all the videos on this figure. A couple things worth noting. The Portrait of Pirates maximum wano versions, they all kind of have this burnished finish on the side. It's meant to sort of simulate the lava. If you're familiar with the show, if you're familiar with wano and what's going on with it right now, you know that the floor is like cracking and lava and there's flame. So the highlights on the side here, I think they do look better in real life, but I understand why people were upset by it. It does look a little bit odd, but understanding the context, I think, is really important here. Also too, as noted by a lot of other people making videos on this figure, the two stands on the back, they don't even touch the support or like where they're supposed to hold up. So I don't know if they're useless. I'll keep them around for the time being, but they really don't feel like they're doing much. So a little bit of a bizarre design choice here by Bandai. But yeah, overall super stoked on this figure. I think it's great. The detail's fantastic. You've probably seen it already if you are into One Piece, but just the detailing's great. The shading's awesome. Great definition, and as far as I can tell, there's no sort of missteps with the paint or anything. So yeah, as my first One Piece Portrait of Pirates figure, super stoked on this. Yamato, of course, a little bit heartbroken that they didn't end up being one of the Straw Hat members. Of course, they're staying on Wano to make sure that everything's gravy there. But yeah, super stoked on this figure. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, showcasing this. Maybe this will be my first foray into figure YouTube, but there are much better people doing a better job of reviewing these types of things. So we'll see. I kind of have my own thing going. Anyway, just want to do a quick one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.